Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make soufflé slime. So let's get started. First you will be needing 2 spoons, a bowl, some shaving cream, any type of PVA glue. I'm just using Elmer school glue, some containers with food coloring inside. I'm just going to show you which colors I have. I chose purple food coloring, blue food coloring, and green food coloring. And my activator is borax, which is 1 teaspoon borax and 1 cup of water. Okay, now let's start on making the slime. First, just start off by pouring in some of the glue into a bowl. I just have this glass bowl. Now, this is totally optional. I'm just pouring in some water, but if you don't want to do this, you can skip this and then go to the shaving cream. Now I'm just going to mix it in very well. Okay. Now I'm done mixing. Now I'm just going to put in some shaving cream. That looks cool. Now I'm done mixing that, and this is the consistency you're looking for. It's very thick and creamy. Now I'm just going to pour in some borax solution or any activator you choose to put in your slime. Now I'm just going to mix that up. Okay, it just needs a little bit more of the activator. And now when it gets slippery, that's when you know that you have to knead it in with your hands. Let's just go in with our hand. Super stretchy, by the way. Cooking time. Now let's just stretch it for some early ASMR. Super satisfying. It's quite sticky, but now let's just snip some off and put some shaving cream in it. Oops. Now let's just mix it up. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit more of shaving cream. And this is gonna be for the top of the souffle slime. Let's put that aside. Now let's open up our containers. Get some more slime and put it in the purple container. Get our spoon and mix very well. Might look gross at first, but it's actually really cool. Now let's just snip some other slime off and then put it in the green container. Now let's mix. Now let's just get some more slime and put it in the blue container. Now you're going to be asking me, why do we have all this leftover slime? Or why do you have so much leftover slime? Well, I'll tell you in a second, so stay tuned. Now let's just mix up the blue. Okay, now let's cut some more and put it in there. It's a little sticky, but not that much. It's okay. Okay, these are how the slimes turned out. They look really pretty. This is the blue. It looks like a light pink, the purple, and that one's the green. So now this is what I have done with the extra slimes. Instead of just putting white slime over it, I just try to make it colorful. Now this is the reddish, coralish slime. I'm going to put it with the blue. And then the brown with the light pink, which used to be a purple. And the purple with the green, as you can see right here. I'm just going to spread it out a little bit. It's going to be even. This one looks like cotton candy, actually. It looks really cool. Now, this looks pretty. This one is my favorite. It's so pretty. It's like a combination of my two favorite colors. Oops. So, now this is what's going to be on the top of the slime. So, it'll look like a souffle. So, let's just put some on that. Some on that too. And this is how they look when they're done. Look really cool, pretty. Now I'm just gonna let them dry. This one's my favorite one. Kind of looks like a cupcake. So this one's the cotton candy one. This is the cotton candy one. And now I'm just gonna let it dry and I'm gonna show you it in the morning. So give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so I let them dry for one day and this is how they look. Now get ready for some ASMR. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.